Hello everyone. I've prepared another batch of awesome life hacks for you that really work. Let's get started. Did you know that a simple plastic bottle cap can turn into a practical cutting board holder? No drilling, no hassle. Here's how. Cut two small opposite slots on the sides of a bottle cap. Apply strong adhesive to the back and stick it onto the wall where it's most convenient. Voila, a secure and space-saving holder. Such a small change, yet it keeps your kitchen tidy and organized. Have you ever repurposed bottle caps before? Let me know in the comments. Ladies, have you ever been annoyed by a wobbly toilet seat but hesitated to call for help? Worry no more. You can fix it yourself in just minutes. Remove the toilet seat to check the base screws. Tighten them using a screwdriver and adjust the position for a perfect fit. Reattach the seat, and there you have it, good as new. Such a simple fix can make your bathroom experience so much more comfortable. If you love a cozy, vintage vibe, you'll adore these easy DIY burlap flowers. Cut a rectangular piece of burlap fabric. Gently pull out some center threads to soften the look. Where are you from? Please leave a comment to let me know. I'd love to connect with people from all over the world. Now, fold in half and secure with hot glue to form petals. Wrap the fabric around a wooden stick, securing with glue as you go. Adjust the fibers to create a full, natural-looking bloom. Such a simple craft, yet it adds a warm and timeless charm to any space. Where would you display these flowers in your home? Do you get frustrated with seeds flying everywhere when cutting bell peppers? Here's a simple trick to keep it neat. Slice around the top stem and gently pull it up. All the seeds will stay attached. Now, cut the pepper into slices without worrying about the mess. A clean kitchen means a happy cook. What's your favorite time-saving kitchen hack? Share your thoughts. Before you throw away old socks, try this clever cleaning hack. Slip a sock over a mop head and spray with your favorite cleaner. Use it to dust hard-to-reach corners or polish wooden surfaces. Once done, just toss it in the laundry and reuse it. A fresh, tidy home with minimal effort. Isn't that wonderful? Tired of brooms cluttering your kitchen corner? Try this quick solution. Take a strong string or ribbon and tie it securely around the broomstick. Loop it through itself to create a sturdy hanging loop. Hang it on a hook or nail, and your broom will always be in place. It's small details like these that make homemaking easier and more enjoyable. Nothing ruins a peaceful home like unwanted pests, right? Try this safe and effective trick to keep your kitchen roach-free. Mix 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and a little dish soap. Place the mixture in areas where roaches tend to hide. The sugar attracts them, and the baking soda eliminates them naturally. Your home will feel cleaner, fresher, and more comfortable. A beautiful meal warms the heart, doesn't it? Try this lovely tomato rose garnish to impress your family. Use a sharp knife to carefully peel a tomato in one continuous strip. Gently roll it into a spiral, forming delicate petals. Place it on your dish for a charming final touch. Cooking is an act of love, and little details like this make every meal special. Don't throw away old adhesive wall hooks. Repurpose them into a towel rack. Remove the sticky backing and reattach with strong adhesive. Hook a small elastic band between them to create a flexible holder. Hang your kitchen or bathroom towels with ease. Little DIY tricks like these keep our homes tidy and functional. Transform 7 old ice cream sticks into a charming hanging flower holder. Wrap the sticks with twine for a rustic look. Glue them together in a small basket shape. Decorate with lace, bows, or dried flowers. Hang it up to brighten your space with a touch of handmade love. Crafting brings so much joy and warmth to our homes. Thank you, my dear friends, for joining me today. If you found these hacks helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support this cozy little community.